traveled all the way from Ecuador.
Thank you.
To be here.
Now, some products decide purposely to be a little bit above or a little bit below competition. That's also, within the strategy. Now, I may even decide to price a product a little bit above the rest to say, okay, I'm a premium item. It's just a perception. See, price is giving a perception of quality because you don't have any other elements and all the other products. And here are the gourmet shops. That was 20 years ago. So I invented a term that is affordable gourmet. I don't know if it existed. He said, how are we going to price it? Okay, it's going to be affordable gourmet. He's like, what do you mean? 20 years later, we're here. We're in 40 countries. We're the largest exporter of snacks. I went back to academia because I love it. Yeah, there are a lot of costs involved in purchasing a service. Like your uncertainty, like, is this a good place? Am I going to get a better job when I graduate? I'm not spending time with my family. Is it easy to park? Was it easy to pay tuition or not? Am I getting a scholarship? There are a lot of other non-monetary costs involved.